You know that feeling when you sit down to study, but your brain just refuses to focus? Your phone looks way more interesting, and suddenly, even cleaning your room feels productive? Well, you are not alone. Today, I'll share some powerful tips to help you stay motivated and focused, even when you don't feel like it. Let's get started. We all start with good intentions, but sooner or later, motivation fades. Why? Because we expect to feel motivated before we start. But here's the truth: motivation isn't something you wait for. It's something you create. Think about it. Have you ever started studying just for a few minutes and then ended up studying for an hour? That's because action comes first, and motivation follows. So, how do we trick our brains into getting started? Here's the secret: stop thinking, and just start. Even if it's just for 5 minutes. Your brain will naturally want to continue once you begin. This is called the 5-minute rule. Tell yourself you'll study for just 5 minutes, and 9 times out of 10, you'll keep going. Set a fixed time to study every day. When studying becomes a habit, you won't need motivation, you'll just do it automatically. Study for 25 to 50 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. This keeps your mind fresh and helps you focus better. Put your phone on silent or stay focused. The less you are distracted, the more productive you'll be. Instead of saying, "I have to study," say, "I get to study." A small shift in perspective can change everything. The truth is, no one feels motivated 100% of the time. But successful students push through even when they don't feel like it. So, the next time you are tempted to procrastinate, just start with 5 minutes. Before you know it, you'll be making progress. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more study motivation. And tell me in the comments, which of these tips will you try first? See you in the next video.